Everything is always your fault. And if you don't have the life you want, it's your fault completely. Things aren't working out for you only because you didn't pull yourself up by your bootstraps. The great thing about this incredible wisdom passed down to us from our elders is that, one, it creates an incredible sense of superiority with these people because, they're in a good spot, they have a home and whatnot, and they can look down on the young generations who are struggling and say, oh, they must be struggling just because they're lazy, which means that I'm a really hard worker because I've been so successful. The second thing it does is it draws your attention away from actual systemic problems. The problem is, if you're a homeowner, you benefit a lot from the current system and you don't want it to change. So obviously you're going to be saying, oh, you know what? Any problems are your fault. Don't try and change the system. Ignore the policies that we voted in that caused the mess we're in, right? No, look at it individualistically. Treat it as a you problem rather than something bigger. Now, this doesn't mean you say, oh, society sucks. Oh, there's all these problems. Oh, you know what? I'm just going to give up. If you do that, then you deserve to be spit on. The point is that sometimes the problem isn't necessarily you. Right? You can always try harder. You can always probably get success somehow. But sometimes, you need to be putting your efforts towards fixing weaknesses within yourself, but also problems and systemic issues within society at large. Oftentimes, politics is just an escape for many people from a really disordered life. Instead of fixing themselves, they try and institute some weird utopian policies. It's projection. But sometimes things have just gone off the rails. Sometimes a previous generation has voted in a lot of stupid policies. Sometimes they've made a lot of stupid decisions and you got to clean it up. And no one's going to help you. So you got to figure it out.